Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear cadets of class 7, I welcome you all to my online class. This is my first class with you. I'm Abu Naim Muhammad Ikram, lecturer in geography. Today I will conduct your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Our today's topic is climate of Bangladesh, which is mentioned in your chapter 7. And today we will discuss only lesson 1 and 2. So without any more delay, let us start our topic. Learning outcomes. Boys, after the class, you will be able to define and distinguish between weather and climate, describe the climate of Bangladesh, explain the causes of climate change in Bangladesh, describe the effects of climate change in Bangladesh. Here you will find some new terms which are weather, climate, season, monsoon wind, tropical region, deforestation, etc. First of all, let us define weather and climate. These two terms are very important, and the chapter has been started by delineating these two terms. Weather means the natural condition of particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm, etc. And the climate is the average weather of 30 to 40 years of a particular area. Now, what actually it defines? Weather means the average condition of temperature, rainfall, wind movement, storm, or precipitation of a certain area for few days. But the average weatheric condition of 30 to 40 years is climate. So from the definition we find that weather, it is measured in a certain small area, but the climate, it is measured in vast region or vast area, and weather is measured for short period of time, but climate, it is measured over a long period. And the weather may get changed at any time. Suppose now it is a sunny day, but within few moments you will find that it is cloudy. So weather may change at any time, but it does not happen in case of climate. The study of weather is called meteorology and climate is called climatology. So from the definition of weather and climate, you can find other characteristics of themselves. So I hope you have understood these terms, weather and climate, and hope you will be able to differentiate between weather and climate. This is very important, and in exam it often comes. Now, climate of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is situated in the tropical region. Now, what is tropical region? You know, there are some imaginary lines over the globe. These lines have respective values and specific names. Let us see a photograph. See, here, this line is called prime meridian and this line is called equator. And over equator, there is another line, this is called Tropic of Cancer. And this line is called Tropic of Capricorn. The value of this line is equator it is 0 degree and it may be north or south. And the value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. As you know, the upper part of equator is called northern hemisphere, and for any value of any place of the northern hemisphere we write north with them, and for the places below the equator we write south, as it is north and this is south. And you know, if any place is just rightward of the prime meridian, they are eastern region, and if the place is in western part, they are west region. And for 0 degree you can call it east and west both. So we don't call anything, we don't mention. If you call 0 degree, then it means it is the midpoint or mid longitude, and for 0 degree latitude it is the mid latitude. So what is tropical region? This is Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. From Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, this region is called tropical region. And see, Bangladesh, you know that the Tropic of Cancer, this line goes through the Bangladesh. And as Bangladesh is situated and or located in on this line or in Tropic of Cancer, so we call that Bangladesh is situated in tropical region. Actually, this portion is called tropical region. Hope you have got me. Next, its climate is tropical monsoon climate. So what is tropical monsoon climate? Monsoon is a Arabic word. It means season. The wind which changes its direction with the change of seasons is called monsoon wind. So characteristics of monsoon wind is it changes with the change of season. In Bangladesh, during summer, it blows from southwestern part to northeastern part, and in winter it blows from northeastern part to southwestern part. That's why it is called monsoon climate, as the monsoon wind blows through Bangladesh, and as it is situated in tropical region, so it is called tropical monsoon climate. Neither the winter nor the summer is severe here. In our Bangladesh, the winter and summer both are moderate. We don't see extreme cold or extreme warm or hot in our country. The summer is warm and rainy, you know that, and the total 20% of rainfall occurs during this summer. The winter is dry. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate, which I have mentioned earlier, not so hot and not so cold. It means effects of favorable and adverse weather is equal here. And this is the figure which I have explained already. Try to draw this figure and show the tropical region. And I may ask question from this figure. Climatic divisions of Bangladesh. Here you can see a picture. Can you say what has been indicated through this picture? Okay, let me help you. Here I have shown 6 seasons of Bangladesh. First, summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, and spring. You know there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. But internationally, there are only 4 seasons. Those are summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Rainy and late autumn, they are not included or they are not used internationally. And when we discuss about the climatic divisions of Bangladesh, we only discuss about 3 seasons. These are summer, rainy, and winter. Let us describe climatic divisions of Bangladesh. First of all, I will discuss about the summer season, then I will discuss about rainy season, and then winter season. Let us start with summer season. Summer starts from the month of Boishak, which is mid-April in the English calendar. The average highest temperature of Bangladesh in summer is 34 degrees Celsius and the average lowest is 29 degrees Celsius. Remember, cadets, these points are the important lines from your textbooks. So memorize these lines and try to understand the topics which I am discussing. And these are very important for your exam. Next point is sometimes temperature in the north and northwest rises up to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. You know, the Bay of Bengal is towards the south of Bangladesh, and because of this, the temperature of the coastal area is comparatively less. But gradually, if you go towards the northern part, the temperature will gradually increase. The nor'wester occurs sometimes at the beginning of summer in various places. Nor'wester is one kind of tornado and it is a natural disaster. And in next class, you will learn about nor'wester. So today we'll not learn in detail about the nor'wester. Just remember, nor'wester is one kind of natural disaster which occurs in the month of Boishak on mid-April. That means this is the time this nor'wester may occur, April, May. Basically, during these 2 months, the nor'wester occurs. This is one kind of tornado. The coastal areas experience cyclones and tsunamis too. During this time, there is a risk of cyclones and tsunamis. A few days ago, we have experienced a severe cyclone. Can you tell the name of that cyclone, boys? Okay, the name of that cyclone is Amphan. Now, the wind movement during summer is actually the wind moves from north, south, western part to northeastern part, and another winds from the uh, desert area of Punjab comes towards us, and when the monsoon wind of Bangladesh, which goes from southwestern part, that means indicated by red arrow, and the blue arrow which comes from Indian uh, desert, Rajasthan, Punjab. These two wind collide with each other and creates turmoil, and that is the reason of nor'wester. That means a natural disaster tornado in Bangladesh. It occurs during this time, and 20% of total rainfall in Bangladesh occurs during this summer season. And if the questions come that from which direction the wind blows during summer, so the answer will be from southwestern part to northeastern part. See the red arrow. Next, winter season. The Himalaya saves us from the chill wind. Chill means cold wind coming from the north during winter. Winter is not too long. Usual temperature in Bangladesh during winter is 11 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. But sometimes it comes down to 4 degree to 5 degrees Celsius in north and northwest region. Thakurgaon, Panchgor and Srimangal are the coldest places. Here, in the first point, it is said that Himalaya saves us from the chill wind or cold wind. Himalaya is just a wall which is protecting us from the cold wind which comes from the cold area of Siberia. That means from Russia or Russian area. From Siberia, cold winds comes and Himalaya protects us from that cold wind. That's why we do not feel extreme cold in our Bangladesh. And normally winter is not too long in our country. And you know, Thakurgaon, Panchgor, Srimangal, all the districts are located towards the northern part of Bangladesh. And like I said earlier that the temperature is high in northern area. So it is in both cases. If it is hot, it is high in northern area. Even if it is cold, that is also high in northern area. If you go away from the coastal area, the temperature will be extreme. Gradually, the extreme temperature you will feel. Now see the wind movement during winter. During winter, the wind comes from northeastern region. See, the upper part is north and right side is east. From northeastern region to southwestern region. See the wind movement. Now rainy season. Wind blows with vapor from the south and southwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. Actually, I have said earlier that there are mainly 4 seasons which are recognized internationally. Rainy season is not there. Rainy is actually the latter part of summer season. So internationally it is included in summer season, and during this time the focus of the sun it remains in the Bay of Bengal or ocean area, sea area. That's why you have learned about the water cycle, that because of the sunlight the water evaporates and form cloud in the sky, and this sky comes towards the landmass and rainfall occurs. So as the sun's focus is towards the sea area, so the amount of evaporation is higher during this time, and because of huge vaporization and formation of clouds, rain occurs heavily during rainy season. And 80% of total rainfall of Bangladesh occurs during this rainy season. Here in your textbook, though we know that monsoon is one kind of wind, but in some cases monsoon also indicates rainy season. it's especially in your textbook here. If you ask me that what is summer monsoon, here monsoon means it has indicated rainy season. This wind causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh, but rainfall doesn't occur equally all over the country. Sylhet, Chittagong and Cox's Bazar experience heavy rain. Rajshahi, Pabna, Kustia have comparative low rainfall. There is rain during autumn too, though the amount is very low. River erosion also increases during this rainy season. April to May and October to November are the high times for tornadoes and cyclones. Here you have seen that during rainy season, most of the natural calamities or natural disasters occur in Bangladesh, as because of rain, excessive rain, flood occurs in Bangladesh, and especially river erosion occurs during this rainy season, and we experience different tornadoes and cyclones during this season. Let us see the wind movement. As I said earlier that there is no recognized season, that means rainy season internationally. It is not being recognized internationally, and we consider is as the latter part of summer season. So the wind direction will be as same as the wind direction during summer. See, the wind direction is from southwestern part to northeastern part, like the wind direction of summer. See. Now, causes behind climate change in Bangladesh. There are various causes behind climate change in Bangladesh. First of all, global warming, then urbanization, fuel consumption, traffic jam, deforestation, use of modern appliances, rapid growth of population. You all know about the points which I have mentioned here, and you have learned paragraphs in your textbook, especially in English. You have learned the paragraphs regarding these topics. Global warming is one of the burning issues nowadays. Because of this global warming, the climate of the world is being changed, and it is also affecting Bangladesh. And urbanization is another problem. Because of urbanization is the increase of city area. Rural means village area, urban means city area, and urbanization means if we reduce village area, or the area of village is being reduced because of rapid uh, infrastructural development, then we call it urbanization. Then fuel consumption, traffic jam, these are almost same. These are also liable for climate change. And deforestation, another vital point, and it is very harmful for the nature. And use of modern electric appliances. In our home we use air conditions, fridges, and so many things which are liable for climate change. And rapid growth of population, this is the mother of all problems, so we have to control all these problems to save our environment. Now, effects of climate change in Bangladesh. Many causes are responsible for visible changes in climate all over the world. It is also affecting Bangladesh. Weather change doesn't go accordingly with the change of seasons. So this is the first point, that if you observe towards the season change, that then you will realize that the timing of the season which we saw earlier, nowadays it is not seen, or it is not similar like that. So the we can see that normally during December and January there should be very cold, and during April the rainy season starts. But nowadays the timings of these coming of seasons are not matching with the earlier time. Amount of rainfall during monsoon is decreasing. Here monsoon means rainy season. The amount is decreasing. Earlier there were huge rainfall, and you know that rainfall is very important for our cultivation, as Bangladesh is agricultural land. So if the rainfall is decreasing, so it is alarming for our agricultural production. Winter is arriving late and leaving early. The duration of winter is short, and it is becoming shorter. The number of natural disaster is increasing. You see that in earlier time the number of disasters were less, but nowadays different types of natural disasters are being seen, which are affecting our lives. Severity of droughts, floods, and tidal waves is on the rise. These are also natural disasters, and because of less rainfall during rainy season, we experience drought in northern area especially, and floods in southern area especially. And the tidal waves is very uh, dangerous and very alarming for the people who live in the coastal area. Rivers and canals are drying up because of less rainfall during rainy season. So this was our formal class, and with this we have come to an end of today's lecture. Now we are going to have a test. The first question is, what is weather? First, try to write down this answer in your own script, and I will set question in the website, and hope you will uh, answer those in the website. And now I'm giving you the answer. The natural condition of particular area of a certain day or time, certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm, etc. is called weather. You can define weather in another way, that the average condition of temperature, rainfall, water vapor, that means humidity, wind movement, etc. for a few days in a certain place is called weather. Now, what is climate? It is nothing but the average condition of weather, average condition of weather for 30 to 40 years. Particularly, it covers a long time, and it is measured in vast area. What are the climatic divisions of Bangladesh? Okay, these are summer, rainy, and winter. In which region is Bangladesh located? It is very easy, tropical region. And what type of wind movement is seen in Bangladesh? This is very easy question. Tropical monsoon wind. Okay, topic for next class. In next class, we will discuss about some disasters due to climate change, and some of the disasters are cyclone and tidal wave, flood, river erosion, drought, cold wave, tornado, nor'wester. And I would like to request you to go through your book and read these topics beforehand, so it will be easy for you to understand the next class. Okay, I would like to draw the end of the class here. Thank you for being with me. Keep your environment pollution free.